Hello and welcome back to Mr. Powers Teaches Stats. Now, the last time we met, I went over a couple examples of finding percentiles. In particular, I was worried about getting the 25th percentile, the 50th percentile, the 75th percentile, because the 25th percentile is the same as our first quartile, our 50th percentile is the same as our second quartile, or our median, which we also denote as just M. And then our 75th percentile is our third quartile, Q3. We ended with that. Now, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how could we also, I went through this example and I went through another example where, sometimes we had to average two numbers to find the particular percentile. Sometimes we didn't. So we went through a couple examples there. Now, I didn't get to show you technology. So this video is just flat out says, hey, how do you use GeoGebra for this case to find quartiles? And so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to delete this, delete that. So in GeoGebra, let's add a list. This is my list. And they don't need to be ordered. I ordered them, but they don't need to be. Highlight that list. Again, I'm in GeoGebra. Right here. Need that link again. That's where I'm at. Type the numbers in. Hit this button right here and go one variable analysis. What that'll do is pop up a window right here on the side. I had it hidden. So it'll pop this up. It'll show you a little histogram. And then we want to click on Show Statistics right here in the upper right. And it'll pop up this statistic. I can get that a little bit bigger. And it will give me those values. It'll give me the minimum. Well, the minimum's the smallest number. The maximum's the biggest number. But what we're focusing on, Q1, Q2, Q3. So 5, 8, 13. And if we go back and look at our work from before, we got 5, 8, 13. Those were our Q1, Q2, Q3, or Q1, median, Q3. Just like right here. Q1, median, Q3. All right. And then let's go ahead and do this example. So my second example, again, one variable analysis, hit show statistics, gives me all this wonderful information. Q1 is 6, which you notice is not in the list of numbers because in this case, my 25th percentile or my first quartile landed between the second and third numbers. So 6 is right in there. Okay, that's what happened with my first quartile. My median, also no middle number. 8 and 12 are the two numbers in the middle. Get the average, we get 10. That's my 50th percentile, my second quartile, my median. We'll call it the median most of the time. Okay, so we got 6, 10, 17.5 for Q1, a median in Q3. If we go back to the example I did in my last video, we got 6, 10, 17.5 for Q1, the median in Q3. So that's how we can use technology to find the quartiles. And you'll notice it gets us our maximum and our minimum. In the next video, those last 5 numbers, these ones right here, okay? I'm going to go ahead and slide over more here so you guys can still see. There we go. These numbers, let's just do this. There we go. All right. These are what we call our 5-number summary. And we are going to be looking at those much more in the next video because these are the numbers we need and we really care about when we make box plots. our 5-number summary. Okay, minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and the maximum. Our minimum sometimes, when we plot a box plot, and our maximum, sometimes we might change those, but usually the minimum will be the smallest value, and the maximum will be the largest value. All right, so until next time, have fun doing math.